piano pyramid works great for adults. Most of us have encountered adults who have reached out to us about lessons, and Dorla and I were talking about it earlier. 100% of adults who quit as children have regrets about that, and they want to be able to make music. They don't want to be performing. They do not want to be concert pianists. They just want to be able to play for the joy of playing, and Piano Pyramid is an excellent way to support that goal. When adults come to you for lessons, they're also going to have varying degrees of abilities based on how long they took piano lessons earlier, if they've never taken lessons before. But you're going to have all, just like with your regular multi-level classes, you're going to have varying levels of adults in your multi-level classes as well. Adults love it. Love, love, love Piano Pyramid because they can make music from the very, very first class. The focus is not on them. If they make mistakes, nobody knows because everybody's so focused on their own piece. And they love the sound that the ensemble puts out. They love being a part of something bigger than themselves. So for that reason, multi-level group piano lessons work fabulously for adults. My adult classes are structured the exact same way as my classes for pianists 8 and up. I still have my adults come in and we do our scale work. We do our theory page. I introduce the piece to them. We do individual instruction per level, and we have a little bit of time to practice before we make music. It follows the exact same outline as a regular multi-level class. The only difference with my adult classes versus my kid classes is that I do not require my adults to perform. So they do not take part in my class recitals. They simply learn music for the joy of playing. And across the board, I have not had many adults who feel sad about that. They are happy to come and share the experience in a class, but they really don't care if other people hear them. So when the rest of my studio is preparing to perform in their class recitals, my adults are learning extra music. And we follow the same Piano Pyramid format for new pieces that I introduce to them. With my kid classes, I have them complete an entire school year, or if they're not able to do that, a semester. But with my adults, I found that they do best with 8-week sessions. This allows us to get through 2 Piano Pyramid units so that they are able to learn 4 songs and feel good about the progress that they've made. And then when they've completed that 8-week session, they will sign up for a new one. Or if they have big work projects or big travel things coming up, then they'll sit out for a session and join us with the next session. They love the flexibility that this offers them. A lot of beginning piano students also appreciate the 8 weeks because they can do anything for 8 weeks. They don't have to feel like they're signing their life away to be able to participate in piano. They don't need the expectations and the pressure that come with typical private lessons. They just need to be able to make music, and they need to experience the joy that comes from that. And they need to feel confident and successful as they do that. You may notice that most adults learn at a different pace than the kids. Some adults will be very motivated to practice, and you will see them flying from one level to the next. And some adults are just happy to have an experience where they can make music. I welcome all of them in my classes. I have some adult pianists that have been at the prep pianist level for several years, and it doesn't bother them. This is like more of a yoga practice for them, right? They come and they make music, and it's a time for them to relax and let the stresses of the workday go and just learn and start working on the skill just little bit by little bit. And then I have some adults who are so excited about it that they're practicing all the time, and they just keep continuing to progress level by level. And the Piano Pyramid multi-level system works perfectly for this as well, because the students are able to progress at their own pace. They're able to tell me when they need more. In short, all of the benefits that come from the multi-level system for the school-age kids 8 and up can be utilized by adults. It's wonderful. And adding adult classes to your studio will be a source of joy for you as well as for them.